Hello guys, we are here again. This is the 16th class for you and we're going to talk a little bit about the musicality, okay? This is a different class, a theoretic class for you, and try to understand how is the bachata work with the three parts that we want to share with you, okay?
Yes, especially in the song, you need to make sure that you understand the three different parts that bachata have. Okay, so we have Derecho, Majao, and Mambo. Okay, all those three with different touches, but the same instruments.
We're gonna talk about the percussion instrument because it's easier to find it into the music. Okay, so first of all, you need to understand that the bachata have three parts, and these three parts have different energies. Okay, the derecho, like Raquel said before, start with the low energy. This is the lower energy of the bachata. Okay, the lower part. Okay, when we start raising up the energy is because you are feeling it, that the music is changes, and we arrive to the Majao part. Okay, and after this, the craziest and the most energetic part is the Mambo. Okay guys, so to find this part, we're gonna focus on the BBGG. For us, that's mean bongo, bass, guira, and guitar. Okay, but mainly to find the part, it's easier that you focus on the percussion one, that is the bongo and the guira. Okay, so the touch in the derecho is a syncopated touch. Okay, that you can listen the 1, 2, 3, 4, and the intermediate touches, that is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So these touches give you the softer energy of the music, okay, of the song, that is like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. You can listen this in the introduction or in the verse part. Okay, so it's really easy to listen. We're gonna make an example for you to listen, and we're gonna touch with this rhythm. Okay, and Raquel, do this because this is the guira, okay, for you to understand much better. So let's play music and we understand how is the derecho part.
Okay guys,
so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Good. That was the derecho part. Okay.
So guys, now we are playing a more traditional song, okay, because it's really easy to understand the instruments because they mainly use BBGG. Yes, so it's easier. After, we're gonna try also with a more modern song, so you can understand this when you are actually dancing in social into any song. Yes, not only traditional, but for you, for understanding, it's much easier if we try like that. Yes,
perfect. So the next part called Majao, okay, and we're gonna focus again on the bongo and the guira because it's easier. Now the touch change a little bit. Instead of be syncopated, they're gonna touch with a simple touch. Okay, that is easy. It's like only 1, 2, 3, 4. That's why the energy change a little bit, because instead of go softer, it's like more sharp, like pa 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 pa. 5, 6, 7, 8, and it's when you start to feel that the energy start to grow up. It's like, oh, I'm happier now, I don't know why, and it's because you are feeling this. Okay, the energy of the percussion instruments are changing. Okay, so it's really easy to find it because you can feel it perfectly from the derecho to the majao. So we're gonna play the next the same song but in the derecho part. Okay, so derecho to majao, play. This is derecho, so try to listen.
Simple count.
You see that your body looks for another moment, different energy. Good. So this is the second part, okay, and always you can find it in the chorus of the song. Okay, always they use the chorus because this is the most energetic part in this moment, to give you like, okay, you need to repeat this with the energy, so it's easier to find it. Okay, so let's try to find the chorus of the song, and when you listen the chorus, it's because the majao is happening. Not always, sometimes, because you see the musicians sometimes change the rules. and it's good too. Okay, but the rule is like that. It's like the chorus, go the majao.
So usually, guys, you're going to find the derecho part, then start raising to majao, then derecho, then majao again. It's like in a normal song, you have the verse, the chorus, the verse, chorus, yes, and the chorus, it repeats all the time through the song, right? this is exactly the same. Like the music is changing, all right? So the energy is changing too. You start soft, then you raise it, then you slow down a little bit, and then you start again. Yes? So this is the main thing about the Derecho and Majao song.
Yeah, it's really easy to find it, especially in the traditional, because Raquel said before that in traditional they only use the main instruments that are the BBGG. Okay, in the modern bachata they mix some instruments, they mix some different rhythm, mix it with the bachata, and it's more difficult to find it, but it's not impossible. If you have your ears good, you can hear all that. Okay,
Yes.
so now we're gonna pass to the next part, that is the mambo one. This is the most energetic part of the song, and is when you need to use, for us in our style, the traditional way. Okay, because this is the most energetic, and especially in the modern bachata, they respect these rules. Okay, if it's a real bachata. If it's a bad remix, not. But if you listen a normal bachata, they're gonna respect this, and it's easier to find this part. Okay, I'm gonna play a song again, and you listen this perfectly. To find the mambo part, that is super easy, because you only need to feel that the percussion instruments keep the Majao energy. That is simple count. The Guira goes like and the bongo goes like that, pam 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 pam, simple. But the guitar always have the solo in this part. So when you listen that the guitars have the melody in this moment, tan tararan tan 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 tan, and the rhythm of the percussion instruments go by simple count, that means that you are in the mambo part. Okay, so we're gonna listen the part of this song that is mambo. Okay, and try to enjoy and feel in it. Okay, in your body. So let's try. This is a fake mambo, because look, ta 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 ta. When the percussion change, this is mambo. You listen the solo, and you see the energy. The guitar have the phrase, so it's like pam. All these rules are for all the bachatas, for real bachata, for good bachatas, okay? Because if not, you are not feeling the different energy. If you are dancing a flat song, that means that is not a bachata, okay? It's not only about the instrument. It's not only that you have only bongo, only guitar, only guira. You need to respect too the parts,
the rules,
different
the
parts.
structure of the song. Yes, it's really important, because in the end, don't forget that we are dancing to a song. If you don't have the everything in a song, it's like something is missing.
That's it.
Sometimes when we're dancing social and we listen to a music that is like, I don't know.
You are waiting for the mambo, eh? Where is the part that I can use my traditional stuff?
And there's no mambo.
It's impossible.
Yes.
Less resources for you, okay, guys? So try to listen and try to choose your good songs, okay?
Yes.
So thank you, and see you in the next class.